Most people believe they're prepared, until life suddenly proves otherwise. A long blackout. Empty grocery shelves. No internet. No reliable updates. And within hours, normal life starts feeling very different. The strange part is, emergencies don't always begin with chaos. Sometimes they begin quietly. One small disruption at a time. And lately, more people are starting to ask themselves one uncomfortable question: if things stopped working normally tomorrow, would I actually know what to do? The truth is, modern life has made people extremely dependent on systems they never think about. Electricity, delivery services, banking apps, water systems. Most of us assume everything will always work because it usually does. But recent events have shown how quickly routines can change. One storm, one outage, one major disruption. And suddenly people are standing in long lines, searching for supplies, or trying to figure out backup plans they never prepared for before. Not because they're careless. Because life became comfortable enough to stop thinking about preparedness altogether. What really affects people during uncertain situations isn't just the lack of supplies. It's the feeling of losing control. Not knowing what happens next. Not knowing how to protect the people depending on you. That pressure can overwhelm even calm people very quickly. Because when stress rises, clear thinking becomes difficult. And deep down, most people don't want to feel helpless during emergencies. They want confidence. They want stability. They want to know they can stay calm even when situations become unpredictable. The problem is, most people wait too long to think about preparation. They assume they'll handle it when it happens. But uncertainty doesn't usually give people time to prepare emotionally or practically. Without a plan, even small problems feel bigger. Simple decisions become stressful. And panic often causes more mistakes than the situation itself. That's why more families are beginning to realize that preparedness isn't extreme anymore. It's practical. But preparedness today looks very different than most people imagine. It's not about fear. It's not about hiding away from the world. It's about becoming more capable, calm, and self-reliant during uncertain moments. Learning simple survival skills. Understanding emergency planning. Developing the mindset to stay focused instead of panicking. Because the more prepared people feel, the less fear controls them. And that shift alone can completely change how someone handles difficult situations. That's one reason programs like Dark Reset are gaining attention right now. Instead of focusing only on supplies or gear, the program teaches a more complete approach to preparedness, combining practical survival skills with mental resilience and long-term self-reliance strategies. It covers things like emergency readiness, food and water planning, off-grid systems, stress management, and how to stay mentally clear during high-pressure situations. What many people like is that the approach feels realistic and beginner-friendly. Not fear-based. Just practical knowledge designed to help everyday people feel more prepared and less dependent on unstable systems. For many people, preparedness creates something unexpected: peace of mind. They stop feeling completely vulnerable to uncertainty. They become more organized, more confident, and more capable of handling challenges calmly. Even learning a few practical skills can change the way someone thinks completely. Because when you know you have options, uncertainty becomes less overwhelming. And confidence grows naturally when preparation replaces panic. At the end of the day, nobody knows exactly what the future will look like. But one thing is certain: people who prepare calmly today usually handle uncertainty far better tomorrow. Not because they're afraid. Because they value stability, responsibility, and peace of mind. And maybe real preparedness isn't about expecting disaster at all. Maybe it's simply about making sure your family feels safer, calmer, and more capable no matter what life brings next. If you want to explore practical self-reliance strategies, emergency preparedness skills, and ways to feel more confident during uncertain times, check the link in the description to learn more about the Dark Reset experience.